rotated. He attacks now. Tau Tua wanted a slam and it falls. Look.
As the ball went up, Mo Tau Tua will pull. Wow.
So a big call favoring TNT. And that is a big call at this stage.
As you've seen in the replay, when Mo dunked the last 56 seconds, nahila niya yung ring. Pababa. Okay? But contention of course, the coaching staff was yung bola was straight and entered the ring. Regardless kung may tamaan siya ng part ng ring, okay, the fact na nahila niya yung ring pababa, okay, is a violation already. Considered a offensive basket interference.